Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association James PK Sangma hakas nginingkong katayo uloong bakaan ka Krenshai bakinu ki badai kinong mikmat kum ki MP na ki MLA kila banbat ki kam hakmat hakas sports Henry Lightno tang ki menteri sarkar ni ki Shakri sarkar. Habakran Halor kaching Thei kam ke MCA James Sangma uloong bakaching slam ban pelat ya katulop na kabenta kinong Thei ke MCA kadai ka kam hapo ka association hi. Ula pentep bak association kalamat jing la slam ha kablakta ikajing trekam bat kawan ra kajing slam ban trekam ula ong bakajing persyang ban pen bha kidang ya chakmat ban pen bet kloy kani kamat khnang ban yo pelat no ekatulop na kabenta kinong tre habede bakajing kno bakadon kajing Shah le Khlemakor dikin Thei hak association James ula ong badai bandon ka internal complaint committee ban pet bnya yakani Ulakdo bula shimti yakani kakam kumu president ke MCA dang ha ubnai kala lingkot bat bagate kamat kalong shwa ka por jong u wala utep yakaching bat kaching runa hapo ka kinhun James ulaong ke MCA menta kadang up ka Kaiphod jong ka Meghalaya State Women's Commission ula pentikna ba andalayo ka Kaiphod ke MCA kan shimkhya modor yakani kakam bat kan sasedang yakikam ki badai katkum kaching lap jongka.
That's very early in the day, I would say, because the elections is still a good 2 years away. And again, elections is also based on the needs and the demands of the people. So we will assess that situation and then we'll accordingly see that. It's too early in the day to respond.
So your nomination doesn't mean that you will not come back to state politics. Assembly elections are 2 years away.
The term of the member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So I do not intend to come back, intend to complete this term. It would be very, very unfortunate for anyone to go there and then, abruptly just come back.
Okay, coming to, you are holding the select of MCA, Meghalaya Cricket. Is there any problem in continuing?
No, I think, the law is very clear on that any cricket association, the Lodha Commission and Supreme Court are clear that as an MLA, as an MP, you can hold an executive position in sports associations, not as a minister or not as a government servant.
So will you be intervening? They are not getting salary, the support staff. So will you be intervening?
This is an internal matter of the MCA. Of course, I don't shy away from the fact that there are problems. These are problems which have been going on for a very long time, legacy issues. And because of those kind of challenges and those kind of problems that, certain processes have come to a stop. But we expect to resolve all those kind of problems and issues at the earliest so that, the salaries can be addressed. I'm very, very concerned about the staff, be it the support staff or the office staff. So we are trying very hard to ensure that we can resolve that at the earliest.
There will be a commitment to the women cricketers because there has been no committee on sexual harassment in the cricket association.
Correct. There has to be an internal committee for posh cases. So I took over in the month of January, as you all know. So it's not been a very long time, but I'm very, very aware of the situation and the lacunae and the loopholes that are there in the MCA. For example, we did not have an ombudsman for a good 2 years in the past. So the first thing that I did as an MCA president was to fill up that post and to bring in an ombudsman. Similarly, the internal complaints committee also is something that we will be taking up immediately now. We are just waiting for the report to come from the Women's Commission. As and when that report is brought out, we will take appropriate steps to address the issues pertaining to the internal complaints committee.